before I carve out the check pattern, I need to sketch it in. So I'm just going to go along that side and along the bottom. That's where I'm going to put the check pattern. Or just the black and white blocks, not exactly a check pattern. So I came in about 3/4 of an inch. I'm just going to freehand a line down there and then across the bottom. And on the bottom, you want to make that a little bit thicker than the side, because visually, when the piece is set up vertically, if the bottom is the same thickness as the side, it just visually tends to look thinner. So you always want to make that bottom border or whatever you're doing on the bottom, if you're doing something like this, a little bit thicker than the side. So you can see I'm just eyeballing it. I tried to divide it in half, and then I was going to divide that in half again, but it didn't work, didn't look too thin, so I divided the bottom in thirds. Now I'm going to divide that side in half, do that, and then I'll probably try to do the same to the top, but actually it doesn't work like that. So you just kind of eyeball it, get it roughly the same. I don't want it to look perfect. I do want it to actually look a little funky, because that's the whole look of this piece. You want it to look real hands-on, just like you sat down and did it, just like we're doing it. We don't want it to look like it was made by some machine in a factory. I'm also going to just freehand a line right down the center of the edge and the top and the other edge, because I'm going to run that Dremel down that line and make a little channel there too, because I want to separate the front from the back. And that's what I'm doing.